I got a load, old dedicated route, taking me from Chicago to Lebanon, 520 miles. And the route is taking me 294 to I-65, all the way to Indianapolis and Louisville, right close to the Nashville, and then Lebanon, Tennessee. There's massive pileups on the I-65, a lot of snow, a lot of ice, and we're gonna go and try get through it. So tonight there won't be any music because I need this bad boy to help save my life. So hang tight, I'll see you soon. Mucho frío. Así está bien. Hermano, ¿me puedo ir?
Yeah.
Gracias para todo, los vemos.
Okay.
Welcome back, everyone. So we're just getting started. I only did like 100 miles. I still got 410 miles. In front of me there's a major pileup in Indiana, and after that in Kentucky. A lot of ice, a lot of snow. They already closed I-57 and I-71, so we'll see what's waiting for us. But in the meantime, I wanted to use this situation and talk a little bit about driving during the winter, especially in these kind of conditions, when it's snow, when it's ice, and when you're driving a semi-truck. A couple of advices. You should definitely, the first thing you gotta do is definitely keep your distance. The second thing, is you gotta lower your speed. So for example, the speed limit right now on this road is 65. Look what I'm doing right now. I'm doing 48 because there's a lot of snow and there's a lot of ice, and I don't want to take any chances. And the third thing you gotta do is don't make any sudden moves. Don't get too fast into the curves. By avoiding harsh braking. Couple of those things, you know, are gonna keep you safe on the road. And at the end of the day, if you see that it's not safe for you to continue driving down the road, get to the first rest area, to the first truck stop, and just park the truck, and that's about it. Hang tight, I'll see you soon. Let's see what's waiting for us down the road. There's literally nobody going in my direction, and that's heading to Indianapolis. Nobody's that stupid enough to drive under these conditions. It's not the snow that's killing me, it's the wind and the ice, because under these conditions the thing that's the best for you is to be as heavy as possible, and for your load to be lower and heavier, to put the pressure on your tires so you have, you know, some weight to scratch the surface for your tires. But I was thinking about canceling this load, but then I decided not to, because I never gave up in life. I went through a lot worse than this shit. I've been through the worst mountains of Montana, Idaho, Washington, Oregon, Wyoming, North Dakota, doesn't matter. And it's more of a challenge for me. Fuck the money at the end of the day. It's a challenge for me to see if I can get through it. But we'll see. As you can see, Indianapolis has been struck the most. I've seen in the news Indianapolis and Louisville, Kentucky is by far the worst. Looks like they didn't even clean it. Anything. Now we gotta make a left turn over here. Oh, we'll see what's going on in the center of Indianapolis. But I hope it's gonna get better than this one. And the weight of my load, it's like 20,000 pounds. It's not light, but it's not heavy. It's somewhere in the fucking middle. And I wish I was heavy right now. Winter Storm Blaire. They even gave it a name. As soon as you see that the Americans gave the name to it, then you know it's a big fucking problem. Because usually they gave the names to tornadoes, hurricanes, those kind of things. Yeah, this is the center of Indianapolis. And then in the opposite way you can see the guy that's cleaning the highway. But on this side, nothing. Fucking nothing. And I'm the only stupid fool that's doing this. But now we're here, so we gotta keep it tight. This is the first car that I've seen in a long time. And don't forget, this is the center of Indianapolis. This is Highway 65, center of Indianapolis. Nobody. Look at this. It looks like nobody's cleaned this one. It's full of snow. So we passed Indianapolis and we're on our way to Louisville. That's where the storm hit the most, and I cannot hope for the better because this is horrible already as it is right now. But if you ever get a chance to do something like this, just skip, cancel the load, save yourself, because as you can see, I've been doing it for like 200 miles already and there's nobody in my direction at all. Nobody's cleaned this way of highway, and it's pretty bad out here. I fucking lied that there won't be any more music, but I couldn't do it anymore. I'm starting to get crazy. I still got 195 miles to go. Right now we're getting to the center of Louisville, and as you can see, the situation is not better at all. Maybe it's even worse. They didn't clean anything over here, but we're trying to keep the distance and to go slow. As you can see, 45 miles, and the speed limit is 65. So yeah, but from what I've seen after at the Weather Channel, after Louisville it should get better, but we'll see. So we gotta stop over here and make a break of 30 minutes. So I'm gonna use that time to clean my wipers, do something useful. But yeah, I could have went in here, but it's too tight, so I'll go this way. Yeah, I'll come this way. Let's see what this is all about. "30-minute break, done. We're on our way." Woo! It's cold outside. It's cold outside.
Once we run the show, everyone will know that we will be the ones that hold the eyes true. And once we run the show, everyone will.
Yes, now it's time for music. As you guys can see, I made it to Lebanon, Tennessee. Thanks to God. It was rough, a lot of snow, a lot of ice, a lot of accidents. I was the only one in my direction. I didn't see anyone else. They weren't cleaning the highway. I don't know for what reason, but the most important thing is that I made it. But it won't be, it's not the first one, and it won't be the last one for sure. But the goal is achieved. I wanted to challenge myself once again, and I made it. That's the only important thing right now. But I want you to do me a favor. Right now when I get to the guard shack, please take a look at the face of the guy that's working over there. He hates his own fucking life. Every time I get there, I say, "Good morning, sir, how you doing?" And he barely speaks. Once I wanted to test him and I didn't say anything. I just gave him the papers through the window. He didn't say anything back. Nothing. That's when you hate your life, your job, and everything else. You'll see right now. Hey, good morning, boss. How you doing?
Good. Alright, give me a few.
Mm-hmm. I told you. I asked him, "Hey, boss, how you doing?" He only said, "I'm alright." The polite thing would be to say, "Hey, I'm not doing bad, man. How you doing?" The fucking kid is just rude. Okay, they cut the seal. Let's open doors. Ну если мышка-лутка, бач таку хочу я. Fucking snow, man. Fucking snow. Look at this. That's about it, folks. That was it from the 4th episode. I hope you guys like the content. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for watching. And I'll see you in the next episode.